Yo, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you my NGK spark plug wires that I purchased from Henry. Here's the part number, just in case you want to buy it, because I ain't going to buy it for you. I took them out the box already, show you what they look like. They look phenomenal. It should match my valve cover. Got new radium NGK spark plugs. Here's the part number. Again, I ain't going to buy it for you. Got the valve cover set right here. Here's the part number. Oh yeah, sweet. Oh damn, got dark, but here you go, nice and blue. We got our intake manifold gasket. Here it is here. Let me show you the part number to that. There it is. Okay, and then let me show you the rear main seal. There you go, I already took it out the package. It comes with these 3 gaskets. And let me show you the part number to that. So I already got my motor degreed. Now all I gotta do is put it together and go get it tuned. So stay tuned for that. Deuces, see ya. Don't wanna be ya. Peace. Adios.